Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to place your first trade using a market and limit order. To get started, go to questrade.com and log into your account. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. On the Summary tab, use the symbol search tool to find a stock or ETF you're interested in. As an example, we'll be using Apple. Once you've entered the symbol, a price chart will appear, with key statistics and other info listed below. To the right is the order entry window. This is where you will enter your order. Start by selecting which of your self-directed accounts you'd like to purchase this stock or ETF in. Once you have selected the account, click Buy. You'll then be given the choice of placing a limit order or a market order. Please note that if you're interested in placing other types of orders, such as stop orders, bracket orders, or trailing stop orders, you'll need to use Questrade Edge as your trading platform. To do so, click on the More Order Types link. For this example, we'll start by placing a market order. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the best available price in the current market. They're also considered to be the simplest type of order. If you use a market order to buy a stock, you'll pay the stock's current ask price or lower. If you use a market order to sell a stock, you'll receive the bid price or higher. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to purchase the order. You can select a specific number of shares you wish to buy, or you can select a specific amount of money you wish to invest, to which you will then receive as many shares as that can get you. For this, we'll choose a specific number of shares. Once this is done, you'll see the ask price at the top of the window. Below that, the estimated cost of the order, the account these shares will be held in, your current cash available to use, and any shares you already own in a stock or ETF. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase. Click the Next button, and you'll see an overview of your order before it's officially confirmed, including the order duration, the final cost, and commission fees. Please note that the duration isn't relevant for a market order, but it will be important when making a limit order, which we'll talk about shortly. Finally, click Place Order to complete the process. With a market order, it will likely be filled very shortly. Let's go through another example. This time, trading an exchange-traded fund, also known in short as an ETF. For this example, we'll search for SPY in our symbol lookup box. A reminder that this is just an illustrative example for educational purposes only, and does not constitute advice from Questrade. Now, let's review how you can order an ETF using a limit order. For this example, we'll purchase 1 unit. Next, you'll choose how much you'll pay per unit. Please note that your order may not complete or fill if what you're buying doesn't reach your price target. If you put in a limit order to buy that's the same or higher than the ask, you'll pay the ask price. But if you input an order that's lower than the ask price, your order may not fill unless the ask price drops and reaches your limit price. To keep things simple, we'll use a limit price that's very close to the ask price, so that the order will most likely fill quickly. After filling in your desired price, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen to review your order. Here, you will need to choose your order duration. The duration of the order will determine how long your order is active for. A day order is valid from the time the order is entered until the end of regular trading hours on that day. If the ask price does not reach your limit price by 4 p.m., the limit order will automatically cancel and you will have to re-enter it on the next trading day. The good till extended market duration type operates in a similar way, but will remain active into extended trading hours, with limit orders being canceled once after-hours trading sessions have ended for the day. If you'd like your order to stay active longer, you can use the good till canceled option. This allows the order to be in effect for up to 90 days or until you cancel it. This can be useful if you think the stock price will reach your limit price in the next few days or even weeks. With that, you're ready to place your orders. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade Edge desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.